Mold is a common concern for homeowners. Black mold, we've been hearing more and more about that and the negative health effects associated with black mold. It shows up where you can't see it first. If it's showing up in building materials and items in your basement, then you can see. Then a lot of times some of the areas that you can't see are hiding an even bigger problem. So in addition to the indoor air quality concerns, mold is also bad for your home. When mold starts growing on building materials, it feeds off of organic material. So anything that was once a tree is at risk. So any 2x4s, 2x8s, paper facing on the front and back of drywall, structural beams, structural joists, your subfloor, all of these things are susceptible. The reason why the mold is able to grow in the first place is the elevated relative humidity. And wood building materials that are exposed to high levels of relative humidity over long periods of time are also susceptible to being weakened by the penetration of that moisture, that vapor into that wood. And so a lot of times we go out and we'll see homes that have sagging floor joists or sagging beams, and that's creating uneven and unlevel floors on the main level of the home. So if you are experiencing musty smells in your basement, if you're experiencing kind of a damp feeling in your basement, any musty or moldy smell, or if your allergies are acting up more than what they have in the past, or it's even triggering some asthma flares, then have somebody out to test your indoor air quality. We can test your relative humidity. We can test the contents of your basement, the building materials in your basement, to see how much moisture they're holding and assess the risk that you have. So preventing vapor and groundwater intrusion from your home or crawl space, and dehumidifying your home with a proper basement air system will protect your home for mold and dust mite problems.